Hey guys, it's George Williams here at PTI Consulting. And if you are a contractor that wants to attract more customers for your business for services such as roofing jobs, HVAC and AC repair jobs, plumbing jobs, pressure washing jobs, or any other contractor services that you may provide, or if you are struggling and you want to stop using your personal money to pay for business expenses, and you want to scale your business to 5 or even 6-figure monthly revenues, then this message is for you. You see, in order to grow your business, you're going to have a system in place to be able to attract customers at will, as well as have access to working capital. A lot of contractors' biggest issue is that they simply do not have enough time to dedicate to their business for things such as marketing and getting new customers. You see, when it comes to getting clients, I find that most contractors are doing it all wrong. And I've also discovered that as a contractor, you're going to need at least 2 things in place in order to achieve success. Number 1, you're going to have an automated system in place to be able to attract clients at will. And number 2, you're going to have access to working capital, regardless of what your personal credit status is. And I can help you accomplish these 2 things. If you want to learn how you can take advantage of this tremendous opportunity, then click the button below and watch a free 15 minutes case study video on how me and my team can help take your business to the next level and get you access to the working capital that you so deserve. See you on the other side.